Following the formation of the new government at the centre, a delegation from Meghalaya led by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will soon visit Delhi to remind the centre about various long-pending demands of the state government, which include inner line permit and as well as language resolution beside others. This was informed by Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tinsong while briefing the media yesterday.
Be it even in the level of the government. CM, myself, I think we will go again to Delhi. We will be again meeting the leaders, Prime Minister and then Home Minister and other ministers in the Government of India, refreshing again the memory of the pending issues like ILP and then like the inclusion of languages and also any other issues which is important for the state of Meghalaya.